Good morning and namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today I am back with a new video. This video is all about that Sonax Ceramic Spray Coating Durability and Hydrophobic Test. It is almost a month that we have applied this particular coating to this car, and now I will see how durable it is. I will see the dust layer accumulation, whether I can dust easily after this application, and after that I will go for a water test and dry it up. So this will give you an idea whether you should apply this product or not, and whether it is budget friendly considerable the price. तो चलिए आज हम लोग ये सेरामिक स्प्रे कोटिंग का एक ड्यूरेबिलिटी और हाइड्रोफोबिक टेस्ट करते हैं. So friends, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, because it is your like and subscribe gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. And if you are interested to buy these products, the product link will be in the description box, and if you buy from our product links, it will help us a little bit. First, let us look how dirty it has become. It is almost a month and I haven't applied any water or anything like that, and let's see how gloss and slickness still it has preserved. देखिए एक महीना हो गया हमने कोई पानी ये सब का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है, और देखिए काफ़ी डस्टी हो चुका है, और कम से कम 4-5 दिन, around 4 to 5 days I have parked in the sun in the railway station. As I required to go quite a number of times to Howrah, and where the car was parked for 4 to 5 hours for at least 5 to 6 days under direct sunlight. So it has got quite good number of sun rays to its body, and you can see the entire car is dust filled, but still it has retained its slickness and gloss. अच्छा ही ग्लॉस और स्लिकनेस अभी भी है कार में, एक महीना हो जाने का बावजूद. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. नाउ वी विल डस्ट दिस कार. चलिए सिर्फ फ्रंट पैनल को आपको दिखा रहा है, बिकॉज rest of the panel will be difficult for me to show. So this is the area where I will do the test. Let me bring it further nearer. You see, I will dust from this area, so it will be easier for you to understand that whether this is working or not. There are some tree sap stains as I parked the car under the tree early in the morning while going to the club. So you see, after dusting with the help of Jopasu duster, the car gives good shine and slickness even without washing it. Now we will apply a water test. For this I will use a spray bottle to simulate a rain type of atmosphere. Now with the help of hand sprayer, I will spray water, and you will see how the water sheeting or water beading takes place on this surface. A rain type of simulation. You see the water is perfectly sheeting away and it's beading. Perfect beads that I wanted. And you see how fast the water is sheeting off. Let me do it again. You see perfect beads, and this is after application of this coating after a gap of month. Now suppose it has rained and after that you are driving it off, so I will simulate it with the help of a air pressure. So we will see how the water disappears after applying a wind pressure. Now we will go for a wind pressure test. I will apply some water again. So you can see it has absolutely dried off, and the wind, even after the rain, if you drive it fast, and the wind pressure that will come on your car surface will dry the water. There is no water residue remaining. So you can easily understand that how hydrophobic this particular ceramic coating is. So that is also a wind pressure test, a water test, and I have also shown you the slickness after 1 month. So this is how this particular ceramic coating works for your car, and if you feel that this product is worth, you may definitely buy it, and it's really budget friendly and very easy to apply. I will also come up with difference with other ceramic spray coating that I have in my garage. So I will make a difference video very soon. So this is the durability test after 1 month of application. So if you get 1 month or 2 months of protection, that is definitely worth it considering the price you are paying. So thank you very much. Goodbye, namaste, and please do subscribe.